my wife! How could you sleep with my brother? I just get back from war! We've been married for 20 years! We've got 2 kids, for God's sake! How could you do this to me? Ah!